Good morning to all traders and welcome back to another Market Insights video. Today is Friday, the 22nd of January, the last trading session of the week, and I think we're gonna see quite a few nice flows coming into the markets with some reversals or some breakouts taking place. In my opinion, highly confident about it, I would say. Now, as Congress prepares to vote to pass the 1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package of Biden as soon as possible, the ECB decided to reconfirm its very accommodative monetary policy stance. Now, euro, of course, rose on this statement because, first of all, because there was a hold in the interest rates. Right, there was some talks about interest rates going lower, but that was not the case. And also, of course, the rise was on suggestions that the emergency bond buying program may not be used in full. And this, of course, means that bond purchases could be reduced. That means that leaves more space for yields. And that means that investors buying euro, right? Now, earlier in the week, we had, I wouldn't say a similar statement, but there is some similarities between the two events. The Bank of Canada, they said they will continue its quantitative easing program until they hit the 2% inflation target, and that is also sustainable achieved, right? However, the governing council reported that they are confident in the strength of the economy, right? And that suggests that bond buying could be reduced sooner than some expected. The truth is that in the for the Bank of Canada, the expectations were indeed that interest rates might fall. Actually, that was on Wednesday's policy meeting, but that was not the case. For obviously, Looney surged against counterparts, and the truth is though that we've seen a very quick reversal on dollar CAD, and we're going to explore what's happening on euro dollar, dollar CAD, and the Kiwi. Kiwis reported their GDP numbers yesterday. I'm not yesterday, just like overnight, let's just say. Although we've seen an incredible rallies over the past few days for the Kiwi, I would say mainly Wednesday and Thursday, up until, well, this morning, well, Kiwi started reversing. Most likely, this is a profit-taking move, and we might see actually prices moving lower again today. We're going to see how this is going to pan out in the medium term, though, or let's just say not medium term, let's say short bet, but probably not today, okay, according to our early web analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and start with euro dollar first. Yeah, we remain unchanged, ABC, and then another move to the downside for wave 4, and then from there we'll move all the way up for wave 5. Now, here's what I think. We do get a signal here, yeah, but obviously we could still get that signal because you know, we're not going to cross above 123.48. Yeah, 48. I mean, at least I don't think so. This is what I'm looking. I'm looking at this divergence pushing up for wave B a little bit higher, perhaps to the 122 or to the 122.36. Yeah, because we've done A, we've done B, and now we're just looking 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're expecting, right? It might not happen today, but I see more upside. Okay, so that's it. The upside that I mean, if we stop at 122, the decline is going to be probably quicker. If we cross above, it means that momentum is going to change. Yeah, and we will require prices to probably remain around the 122, 123, who knows, for a bit more, and get a nice signal over here, and then start moving lower. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking at euro dollar. Dollar CAD, I will tell you a secret, not a secret actually, I will just tell you the truth. A bit more uncertain here, okay? I'm still looking at this longer term signal on the RSI and also on the MACD, yeah, the other way around. But here's what I'm looking at here, right? We are, don't forget that we're looking at an ended diagonal here, right? That's why I'm not sure if we ended down here or not. But in either case, we have done, it looks like we've ended this move. Okay, we've got ABC here, ABC here, and ABC here. Yeah, this is again an ending diagonal. in wave 3 of the ND diagonal, which is obviously 5 waves. Now, that said, and of course, because we have some good volumes here, that is the monetary policy drop on the downside. And from there, we created a fresh low, false break, and we're shooting higher as we move. We are actually currently, it looks like to me, at a accumulation phase. Okay, so I see more upside. This is the truth. But I'm not sure this upside is going to be the wave 4 that I have been expecting for a while. Okay, so we might come and stop over here and then continue lower, despite the fact that we took the 61.8 Fibonacci extension of waves, well, the A and B over here, right? We took it out, so it's a good indication. Whatever the case is, and in the short term, I see more upside. Okay, now once we get to the 128 or so, this is when I will start looking for new signals. Okay, and from here, we can pretty much have a better idea whether we're going to go for a new low down on wave 3 around 123.61 and then shoot all the way up, or whether this is the turning point. Okay, and let's have a look on Kiwi as well. We talked about Kiwi, I think, last week, right? We were expecting a correction down in wave B. We're still expecting more upside in the medium term, but in the short term, I see this coming down here. Oops, excuse me. I see this coming down here, okay? I want to take this channel out. I mean, retest it by taking out. This is what it means. We have very good signals on the MACD and on the RSI, okay? This is one of the clearest charts, I would say. But the truth is that we do not know whether we're going to see ABC over here, or whether the ABC ended up here at between the 50 and the 61 Fibonacci retracement, and we're going to see wave Y. This is not clear, and it's not possible to say by the indicators either. But here's the thing. I see increasing volumes over here. Okay, I see increasing volumes on the downside. And in the short term, we're probably going to go down to 170, 140 or so, 71.50, okay? Whether this is an ABC ended up here with an X, or, you know, whether this is we're going to get a deeper ABC over here and then move higher up and then move all the way down, okay? But I think in either case, we're going to see more downside in the short term. These repairs are on my radar for the day at least. I want to thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, if you have an alternative scenario in mind, or you have spotted something, let me know. Leave a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Enjoy the weekend, enjoy the trading session, and we'll speak again next week.